So hey, welcome back guys. I'm Jeffrey Scott from the FX Design Team. Tonight's an exciting night. We're here at our client's home. He was happy enough to open it up for us so we can get some spectacular footage. Behind me here, we can see there's a variety of waterfalls that cascade into the pool. It's lit up with lights, and the beauty and aesthetics of fire really gives him that tropical feel that he wanted to come home to. Now our client had some certain items that he wanted, which was lights and fire and waterfalls, but his kids are grown, so there was not a need to have the slide or any of those extensive features that we put in many of our other projects. So what makes our designs and our work so personalized is that we take the needs and the wants of every client and we design and build the structure that they're going to build memories of a lifetime with their family and friends. So we thank you for following us. We appreciate our customer opening up his house to us to do such a spectacular viewing of his investment, which he's getting years of memories being built each and every weekend when he's together with them. Till next time, I'm Jeffrey Scott from the FX Design Team. We'll talk to you soon.